everyone, this is Bernadette from the Sachem Public Library here to show you how to explore the new Historical Images tool on FamilySearch.org. FamilySearch has over 3 billion indexed and searchable records online, but amazingly that makes up only 20% of their records. Millions of images are added each year, and because it takes time to make these records searchable, FamilySearch has added the Historical Images tool to help you find your ancestors in these non-text searchable images. For this, you'll need a free account, and there is a link to the tutorial on how to make one in the description box below. So we're going to start by going to www.familysearch.org and then clicking Sign In at the top. Then we're going to enter our login information and press Sign In. This will bring us to the FamilySearch homepage. From here, we're going to click on Search at the top and then click on Images. This will bring us to the Historical Images tool. Because these images aren't searchable, we have to start by putting in a location. This location should be significant to your ancestor, such as where they were born, where they died, or where they got married. Here, we are going to put in as much information as we have. If you don't have a lot of information, that's okay. You can simply put in a location and spend the time browsing through each collection. But if you're lucky enough to have some more information, you can use the More Search options and put in a year or date range and life event that you're looking for. I'm going to look for my ancestor named Winnie Armstrong, who got married in Norwich, Connecticut in 1909. And that gives me two results. If I want to edit my search, I can go to the column on the right and change the life event or the year. But for now, I'm just going to click on the collection. Once you pick an image collection, a browsing window shows you thumbnails of each image. Looking at these thumbnails, you may see indexes such as markers or title pages that can help you learn more about what is in the record set. This section marker tells us that the images after are birth records from the town of Norwich, Connecticut, but since I'm looking for marriage records, I need to find another marker that says marriage record. So I'm going to go back by clicking the View Multiple Images button and scroll until I see another marker. And this is the one I'm looking for. At the beginning of these collections, there are usually indexes organized by last name. These indexes will tell us what page our ancestor's record is on. So I'm going to use the flip tool at the top to go to the first page and start browsing for my ancestor. I'm then going to use the zoom in and out feature and drag to get a better look at the text. So I'm looking for the year 1909, and I'm looking for the name Armstrong. And here she is. This confirms that she married Henry Ames, and their marriage record is on page 33 of this collection. It is important to remember that the page number at the top does not correspond with the record's page number. So, to go to page 33, I'm going to use the film roll to get past the index. And then I'm going to use the page number at the corner until I get to page 33. So now I just have to scan the image until I find my ancestor. And here they are, Winnie and Henry. This record tells me information such as where they were born, their ages at marriage, occupation, residence, and if we slide to the right, it also gives us other information such as their parents' names. If I would like to attach this to my family search tree, I can click Attach to Family Tree and describe what I'm seeing in the record. And then click Next Select Person to choose the ancestor to attach it to. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and happy researching.